everyone, so today in this video I'm going to be doing a natural makeup look, so I figured why not start with the basics. So first I'm going to take a cream colored right here and I'm going to dust that all over my lid. And I'm going to put it into my crease. Next, I'm going to take this color right here, and you can see my kitchen. Hey! I'm gonna put it right in the outer corner of my crease area. So I want to keep this as natural looking as possible, so I'm not gonna go too crazy with the colors. As well as with the pigment. Because I notice that I go overboard with the color a lot of the times because I get too excited, but this time I'm going to keep it as neutral as possible. So far, I really like this look. I'm going to go ahead and take this color here. I'm going to put it in the inner corner area of my eye. I cannot forget to do this in any makeup look. I am obsessed. Now I'm going to take this color right here. And I'm just going to dust it the center of my eye. Very, very lightly. So I think this look can be used for school, work, a business meeting, an interview. It's very, very neutral and not too bold in comparison to some of the other makeup looks that I've done. But during these times with COVID, who is even really wearing makeup anymore? And when I mentioned school, I mean, does anybody even turn on their cameras during a lecture? I know I didn't. It was so awkward. So in total for this look, I used 5 colors and very minimal makeup brushes, so it's a relatively easy look. I'm just gonna go ahead and soften any harsh lines with my blending brush. And if you want, you can add mascara. However, I'm going to skip that step. I'm just trying to keep it as natural as possible. So now I'm gonna go ahead with MAC Just Superb lip gloss. It's a very natural looking color. It's like kind of like a clear gloss. I really like it. And that is the end of the look. If you like this look, please thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.